Now I'll take you into my computer screen. यहाँ पे मेरा channel खुला हुआ है. I'll open Filmora 11 and you'll get to see the whole drama. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal Karmakar and on this platform I share everything I love with the people I care for. और आज की वीडियो में हम edit करने वाले हैं one of my YouTube videos. So in this video I'm going to share how I edit my YouTube videos on Filmora 11 and this video is not sponsored by Filmora by any mean. So वीडियो को एडिट करने का एक बहुत सिंपल तरीका है and no matter which editor you use, you'll find it very helpful. First and foremost, stop yourself from losing in the editing world because once we start editing हम खो जाते हैं. अरे यार ये टेम्पलेट अच्छा लग रहा है, ये फिल्टर अच्छा लग रहा है, ये फॉन्ट अच्छा लग रहा है, ये इफ़ेक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है एंड सो फर्स्ट मेक अ लिस्ट कि मुझे करना क्या है. फर्स्ट मुझे कलर एडजस्ट करना है सो दैट मुझे बार बार ईच एंड एवरी क्लिप में जाकर वो सेम एडिट कॉपी एंड पेस्ट ना करना पड़े. सो आई एडिट द कलर ऑफ द whole frame. To do this, I go to color correction and adjust. Now I use these sliders to check what looks the best and just use it accordingly. Here I use my photo editing skills and I think I did a good job. So once I am satisfied with the look, I'll just hit the OK button. Now I'll use Ctrl plus Alt plus C. And to paste the effect, I'll just use Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Second, I'd go and remove all the You got my point? So जहाँ पे भी मैं अटक जाती हूँ इस चीज़ को मैं trim करके हटा देती हूँ. That's my second step. To do this, Filmora 11 has this amazing feature called silence detection, which easily detects all the silences, pauses in your video and removes it for you. Now you can just sit and go through your video wherever you have done and you're good to go. My third step would be adding transitions. कि अच्छा यहाँ पे हम दूसरे टॉपिक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So let's add a transition with and maybe sound effect like shh, whoosh, broom, something like that. My third step. Then I would go ahead and add some zoom in, zoom out effect. So this is where I want the zoom in to begin and this is where to end. So I'll just cut it accordingly. Now I'll go to crop and pan and zoom and I'll decide the start and end frame and that's it. That's exactly how easy to do pan and zoom in Filmora 11. For the zoom out effect, you can do exactly the same and just in the end reverse or invert it and you're good to go. Hi, so this is me while editing my how I edit my videos video, and whatever I have done till now was the basic necessity for the video. It's good to go, it's good to post, but it's not the best. So the cosmetic part of the video is left. That's exactly what we are going to do right now. So let's again dive back into my computer screen. First thing first, we are going to apply a LUT to make the video more appealing color-wise. So we have these movie LUTs that I really like and they go pretty good with my videos. You just need to bring the opacity down where you feel like, yes, that's the kind of color I want for my videos. Now I'll go to media and this is Filmora 11 feature. So if you haven't got the update yet, wait for it.
2 hours later.
So this is what takes most of the time, the cosmetic part, because you have to go through this and that back and forth to finalize something that you like. But again, no complaints. Yeah. Yes, I like it. Hey guys, welcome back to my edit my videos. I will quickly change the font to yeah, that's it. So यहाँ पर since it's an intro, we have to put some music. For that, we can go to our audio library and choose music from there. This again takes hours. Now here's a quick tip for you if you're just starting out and editing your videos, and if your video is not as fancy, because like literally this is a sit down video, you cannot expect anything fancy in this video, right? So you have to make this video fancy using these tips and tricks by making the audience go, wow, that's some kind of editing. So one thing that I've learned is using your music before the actual footage starts, or using your audio even after when the actual footage has ended. That makes such a big difference. Check this out. So this is the audio I'm going to use. Let me just lock it here so that nothing moves. This is the audio that I'm going to use. So instead of placing it here from where my intro actually begins, I'm going to start it from here. And then just fade it out till the actual intro starts. Or you can just trim it till here and make it slower. Change the fading, rather fade it from here, and you'll get to see the whole drama. Hey guys. Now here it ends, so we are just going to end it here. Now that's done, we are just going to add random audios here and there at a minimal audio, because then my voice is also there and you guys need to hear me as well. So that's the whole plan. So as of now, this video has one more element left, and that is voiceover. I'll quickly do that and then the video will be good to go. Hi, I just realized I forgot to shoot the outro, so that's what I'm here for. But I would like to conclude this video that Filmora is a really beginner friendly video editor. So if you're just starting out your video editing journey, I think Filmora 11 is something you should check out. Head over to the link in description and check out Filmora 11 for free.